Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Persona 5 Royal on Yuzu. First, ensure your computer meets the minimum system requirements for the emulator. Then, download and install the latest version of the Yuzu emulator from its official source. Next, you'll need to legally acquire the Persona 5 Royal game files and the corresponding decryption keys. These are essential for the emulator to run the game properly. Finally, launch Yuzu and navigate to its configuration settings. Once Yuzu is set up, it's time to add Persona 5 Royal. Locate your legally obtained game files and add them to Yuzu's game list. After adding the base game, install any official updates and downloadable content you possess. This ensures you have the most complete and stable version of the game. Dive into Yuzu's graphics settings to fine-tune resolution and scaling for your display. Don't forget to adjust audio settings for an immersive experience, ensuring sound effects and music are clear. To get the best performance, consider a few key optimizations. Enable asynchronous GPU emulation. This often leads to smoother frame rates and reduces stuttering. Next, adjust the CPU accuracy settings. Higher accuracy can improve stability, but may require more processing power. Experiment with different rendering APIs, such as Vulkan or OpenGL, to see which performs better on your specific hardware. Each system can react differently, so testing is crucial for finding your ideal setup. If you encounter any issues, the Yuzu community forums are an excellent resource for troubleshooting common problems. Many users have shared solutions for various glitches or performance hiccups. Additionally, explore the world of Persona 5 Royal mods to enhance your gameplay, from visual improvements to quality-of-life changes. Remember to check the description for links to these resources and other great deals. And hey, life's too short for a stinky car, so grab a little Tree's Black Ice Air Freshener to keep things fresh.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.